Hand in hand we strolled along. We were in a wonderland. Halfway to heaven was Mother Nature's wonderful plan. She was only 17. I met her at a dance one night. She was my every dream, and as we danced I held her tight. I walked her home when the dance was over. Took a walk down through the park, halfway to heaven as we sat there in the dark. Halfway to heaven, we were living in a paradise. I owned the moon, she owned the stars. The world belonged to us that night. Then too soon it was over. We were standing at her front door, halfway to heaven, and I loved her more and more. We made a date for Sunday evening. We had a whole lot of loving to do. I couldn't wait till Sunday evening. I was at her door at noon. Hand in hand, we strolled along. We were in a wonderland, halfway to heaven, Mother Nature's wonderful plan. Halfway to heaven, on the doorstep to happiness. She was my ring, we're going steady now, no more loneliness. Soon we'll be walking to the altar. She'll become my blushing bride, halfway to heaven, hand in hand.